see, actually this is the Krishna Idli. Very good place in Koti. So today Sunday, you can check it, the complete shops in the front of the Charminar. So already this is the Ramzan time actually. So Charminar anyway is the busiest area, but only thing is shops, they are very difficult for the people actually, tourists to walk here. That is only the problem. And no vehicles are allowed near to 200 to 300 meters. You have to drop somewhere all the vehicles and they have to just walk here. So actually this is the Nimra. When you go Nimra front side, on the left hand side you have the Lad Bazaar. That is famous for the bangles. If you go straight, it will take you to the Medina, and where you can go to the Salarjung Museum, that other places, new city. So one more road, and this road leads to the Chandrayangota and Falaknuma. Falaknuma is one hotel. We have Taj Falaknuma now. Palace earlier it is. This is the Makkah Masjid. This is the Unani Hospital. The important thing in the Charminar is our Bhagyalakshmi temple for all our Hindu brothers and sisters. So when you visit here, you can visit the Bhagyalakshmi temple. So this is like everybody should have the money for that. The goddess Lakshmi will bless everyone. You can see clearly goddess. Already I have shown many times, actually this is the entrance of the Charminar actually. You have to walk in the queue actually. So when you come here, immediately side only you will have the Bhagyalakshmi temple. So this is the entrance to the Charminar actually. Charminar entry, and next immediately we have the exit also. So this is the timings and entry tickets of the Charminar. 25 rupees for our Indian, and for other people it is 300 rupees. And we have the Paradise also here, the very famous restaurant. It is small place, but people can sit and they can take the dine here. So lunch and dinner will be here. So morning only it is full of rush here. Hardly now it is only 10:30 in the Charminar. So from Charminar we are going to the other side, because where we have to catch the buses. So if you see, our buses will come here actually. So this is the Charminar bus stand. In the further on the right side, if you see the blue so this much distance from Charminar to here we have to walk. Then only we can have the buses or cars will be reached to this point. So this is our TSRTC, Telangana State Road Transport Corporation. So the local buses where we have from Secunderabad, Nampalli and different places. This is coming from Borabanda, and this is 218C from Patancheru to Chandrayangota. This is 218, and this is the 8C. 8C is from Charminar, Secunderabad it comes, Secunderabad to Charminar. So these are only ordinary buses, they are all, and now you can see this is the Metro Express. The difference of Metro Express and ordinary is ordinary will stop every bus stand, and the metro will skip some stops and they will stop for the further like that. You see, this is the 8A by U. 8A by 2 means Secunderabad to Uppuguda. Uppuguda via Charminar. This is. So 8A by U it is. So when we come here, actually we have the Milan Juice Center. You can see here lot of juices. Actually this is a very hot time now. So lot of juices we have, and good, I mean like cold things. So these are very good here, I think. So you can try here after coming back. So you can see here Shahud Malai, Lachi Malai, Matka Special, Matka Salad, Milan Special, Sitafal Punch, Yamani Dry Fruit, Malai Dry Fruit, Milan Junction, Mango Faluda, Blood Punch, Zyka, Avocado, Strawberry, Dry Fruit, Chocolate Shake and Oreo Shake. Wow, many good things are here, so you can try here, Milan Juice Center. So if you see, this is the 65 M by G, Charminar to Golconda. You know Golconda, the fort actually, some fort to Charminar. We have the regular buses, this one. So right now we are in the Salarjung Museum. Actually, Salarjung Museum, you can see entry per adult 50 rupees, above 18, and children above 5 years. For children, that is 20 rupees. 500 for foreigner, and camera 50 rupees. So those who are taking cell phones inside, you have to pay 50 rupees for the camera. Otherwise, you have the clock room, you have to put in the clock room. So you can check here. Otherwise, you have to put in the locker, 50 rupees camera, cell phone. So today canteen, so you can check here actually, this is a tourism canteen. So actually they have the biryani, chicken biryani, veg biryani, everything here. So they have the fried rice. So you can see 200 chicken biryani, veg biryani 150, chicken fried rice. So that everything they have actually here. So all our student groups are here today. They are taking their lunch. So this is all the thali, the food actually. This is all our thali point. This thali is This is all thali, 150 rupees. This is 150 rupees thali. So you can see it actually they are giving in portions. This is all. This is the chicken biryani, brother. This is the thali. Okay, right. This is the chicken biryani, 200 rupees. Okay, tell me, Amma, what is that? Not taste? Okay, what you have taken?
Veg noodles.
Veg noodles, sir. Okay. How is yours, sir? Is it okay? Taste? Taste okay. Okay. So veg noodles they have to prepare little properly. Okay. So museum you can see actually every hour we have a clock show here. People are all sitting here for the clock show. So social gada. So Snow World is full of our college students. So you can see they are enjoying here actually, students. There is archery and shooting. So Snow World inside we have actually snack bar already. Already we have the snack bar. So when you actually already -5 degrees now. So when you come back, it's very cold. So immediately you can get the hot things here, snacks, so that you can have some coffee, snacks, anything, because this is a 17,000 square feet area completely inside, covered one, that is completely. This is the lighting on my inside, or lighting, complete disco lighting. ये ऊपर क्या है ये? नहीं वो नहीं, ये जो वो क्या भगवान है, क्या है ये? शर्मा's Habits. can see 3 gods. So habits with complete lighting in the evening. The Grand Hotel.